are welcome to Nepal Treks and Tour, your holiday friend in Nepal. For all your travel need in Nepal, we provide a one-step solution to make your trip memorable. Our team with more than 15 years of experience, and we help our clients to enjoy their journey to the maximum. We have largest range of trekking options such as Annapurna Base Camp Track, Everest Base Camp Track, Manasu Circuit Track, Langtang Valley Track, and many more trekking options in different regions of Nepal. We provide best guides and porter. When you book your trek with us, we provide you quality service, which makes us a class apart from others. Our experiences of our team members speaks volume and have allowed us to develop a different perspective to serve our clients. We also practice sustainable tourism on our all the trips across Nepal. We are not just a company but a companion to make your travel dreams come true. Welcome to Nepal. Nepal Treks and Tour, your holiday friend in Nepal.